Good morning, good morning.
Welcome to Lackerville. Nandito tayo sa Tarlac City. After the massive success of our Major Craft Fishing Series last year, squad-based tournament. Okay, 16 teams will be vying for the coveted champion title. Okay, yung ating mechanics, no tackle limit. Pwede kayong merong backup reel, kahit ilan yan. Since multiple species yung target, pwede meron kayong light, meron kayong medium light, meron kayong medium, heavy, and so on and so forth. But we are only allowed to use artificial lures or artificial bait. Okay? Hindi pwedeng baiting or bait and weight. Foul hook is not allowed, but if yung hook is within the vicinity of the mouth or somewhere dun sa mukha,
Head area.
counted yan ha. Pag nandun sa bandang buntot o dun sa likuran, hindi siya counted. And then sa championship, most likely, yung ating mga sponsor is mag-grace dun sa day.
Good. Nice.
Now, introduce muna natin yung teams. Representative ng team, kung nandito yung buong team, ilalagay nyo yung inyong team logo dito sa ating board. At the end of the round or match, yung winning team, parang yun yung kanyang prize. Ilalagay naman niya yung kanyang team name at team logo dun sa susunod na round. Okay? So at the end of the day, parang yun yung inyong premyo ha. So ngayon, round 1, match 1. So first team, Sakan. Bagong team. So from recruit ng Anglers Pro. Yung iCatch Angler. Henry. Maganda yung combination. Meron tayong mix of old and new ha. Para na i-injikan tayo ng new breed ha. Team Project Cast. Okay, mag-ready na ang Yoshin team. Asan yung mga kasama mo? Sa stage para... Yep, number 4. Ma'am, sama ka. Iyasin mo. Yep.
Nice.
Nice. Next ay ang Uno Master Lure. Engineer. Meron kang libreng Uno Master Lure. Next is Team Bayabas. Team Bayabas. Right bro, 7. Next, Team Anglers Pro.
Ay, pala ako.
Nice one, Pete.
Next team is Strike Vision Anglers. Strike Vision Anglers.
Dulo.
Carl Lankers. Ma'am Regine. Carl Lankers.
Nice mo.
Para takbo mo na. Takusa Anglers Club. Takusa Anglers.
Saan?
What's your motto? What's your motto?
Tangal ang angas, lahat labas ng cuteness.
Oh.
Ako sa aso.
Sino? Taco Junkies.
Ay, kayo Chris, ikaw na.
Ano tayo? 16 teams.
Akel Junkies. Nice
Kuya
one.
Chris, pakuha.
Next is Farm Kings. Farm Kings. So si Sir Clark Pakwan.
7. Yan.
Let's go, boys!
Real Deal Bulacan. Peter,
And,
go.
ilang Pete?
Sa ano? Okay, next is Creekside Casters. Hakan. Do the honors for amateur hookers. Pwede na mulihin niya.
Yan.
And last, but certainly not least, Maker Outdoors. So, kayong lahat.
Lahat na kayo, dali. Dito na kayo eh.
Maker Outdoors. Round 1, match 1 ha.
Yan, dyan na kayo.
So from Makers Outdoors, Sir Anton Santiago, kaway-kaway. Sir Nicolay Delgado, Lawrence Sanchano, Johnny Woo! And Raymart Sireno. Yung Team Tarlankers, dito naman sa kabila ha. Team Tarlankers. Engineer, Plant Control, Hardy Santos, Regine Tolosa, Kevin Arsiga, and Chris Nuku! Okay, so guys, ayan yung ating mga magpa-participate sa round 1, match 1 ha. So guys ha, may the best team win. Okay? So guys, let's head out to the water and catch some lunker. Let's go! Ilong! Okay.
Ison. Hold, 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 hold. Nice one. Ang laki kaagad. Up, isa pa.
Yan!
Yan!
Yan! Hey! Mission! Yeah! Nakuha yun!
Nice one, kuya.
Meron pa. Ay, walang.
You good?
Laki! Ano to?
Hold mo lang, beam. Solve mo lang.
Ay, nakapatid. Nice. Landed. Go!
Nice one, beams.
Ano ba yung nakatambay doon? Sana?
Beams.
Saan nakatambay? Sa gilid.
Okay.
Okay, go.
May isda yun oh. May isda yun oh. Sarap po lang. Ayun.
Ayun o. Baka talaga akong yabiba.
Dito sa gilid ah.
Teka, tatalon. Ayoko persahin eh. Teka lang. Malakas ba?
Pam!
Net.
Yun!
Monok.
Monok. Nice one.
Monok!
Nice one.
Nice one.
Ayun na. Sige.
Nadugon.
Picture.
Akawak.
Hold. Uy! Bara! Uy! Angat! Yes! Woohoo! Nice one. Woohoo! Yo, nice one. So, adobo, ampalaya with rice. Pagkaleta ni mga bata, naman. Hindi, naka-black din. Oh.
Okay, for Tarlankers, one massive bara catch weighing 2.47 kilograms. At yun lang ang huli nila. So total nila is 2.47 kilograms. Now for Makers Outdoor, so meron silang tatlong species. First one, Timensis, 0.94. Second species, 1.29 kilogram Monoculus with bonus point of 1 kg. And then final catch, 1.91 kg Bara with bonus points of 1 kg. So total accumulated for Makers Outdoor, give it up! 6.14 kilograms! So you're through to the next round!
Ten, 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 ten.
Play of the game, guys.
Paamoy nga, paamoy nga. Ay,
Masaya naman, masaya!
nanginginig po, nanginginig po.
Round 1, match 1. See you on the next round, Makers Outdoor. See you on the next match, Tarlankers ha. Kailangan namin ng martial ha. Okay guys, ingat sa pag-uwi ha. And yung mga pictures, isesend natin dun sa group chat tayo, Chris, di ba? Okay, thank you, thank you. Abangan nyo yung video ni Sir Clark ha. Kailan yan, Sir Clark, lalabas?
This week.
Please, bilis. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you po, congrats. Congrats po. Congrats. Soft drinks. Congrats po. Congrats, congrats. Congrats po. Congrats. Congrats. Congrats, congrats. Good job, good fight, good fight. Good fight kuya. GG, GG. Good game po, good game po, good game. Good game, congrats, congrats. Good game kuya. Congrats.